slice and dice these video clips to show how I did this. So there's the brand new molding. They're on there. And I'll connect this tubing, if it will allow me. There, and then just have to reconnect that. Check for leaks later. I'm reaching over here, kind of a blind spot here. Get the thread in, okay? This one. There's the other. It's in there. Get this thing connected here. Just snug it in and tight it for now. I have to troubleshoot it later. I want to rate this by over tightening it. Okay, so now we just need to my flathead screwdriver first. This thing tightened up. Snug it in there. Same thing there, but it's hard to see. I can't see it. So maybe closed. Ooh, sorry. So perhaps I will use my wrench here. So I'll make sure this thing's tight. Somewhat. Okay, that's tight. That's not going anywhere now. I think that's sealed up tight. Man, it might be good. Now, I am going to plug this baby back in here. I'll run the water first. Check for leaks. And then I will turn on the breaker on. Get some juice going into that outlet. And let's see if this solves this problem. Well, it saves me at least a couple $100 anyway, as far as plumbing costs from a pro, because plumbers don't come cheap. So, alright.